Hey, this is Vincent from Bilu Center for Public Health, and I wanted to personally welcome to thank you for joining us today. We thank Nicola, one of the local leaders, to be with us today. On this podcast, we will discuss about malnutrition or undernutrition, and this podcast is designed for you. So let's begin now. Nicola, why malnutrition? Malnutrition is one of the most scourge on this part of the community, and we hope that this podcast will help us to vehiculate our message about to healthily eat. Not only that, but to teach everyone about healthy food, because we can see in our daily life the impact of malnutrition. And we know we can stop malnutrition when we change our attitude. In Madagascar, adult population also are faced a malnutrition. If I give you just one statistic, we can see that 36% of women of reproductive age have anemia. So this is our principal target. A single mother around 15 or 35 years old, because that is the most affected of malnutrition in this locality. And what is your plan on these issues? Our desire is to help them and to encourage that person to have a better life, to change their attitude, and to give a new chance for those person to be better. So thank you very much, Mr. Nicola, and so thank you to turn into this episode of Malnutrition Show podcast. If you enjoy this podcast, be sure to subscribe so you are notified when the new episodes are posted. Rate and review this podcast and share it with your friend. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that they are living with some great thing that can help you and your life.